What's up guys, Babatunde Motal here, and today's video I'll be talking about the new Oraimo SpaceBox Pro. So here we have the regular Oraimo SpaceBox, which we all know that is the small one, 8 watts. That is not what we'll be talking about. We are talking about this new bad boy here. This is the new Oraimo SpaceBox Pro, and this guy comes with 80 watts, which you can see here, and with the Avid-based technology in it. You know, Oraimo Avid-based technology. It comes with thunderous bass and infinite lights. So at the front here, you can see some of the features of the Oraimo SpaceBox Pro. And at the top here, you can see the thunderous bass, infinite lights also. Today's video will be for the unboxing and first impression. So just let's see what's inside. That will be all. By this side here, you are going to see the Oraimo Smart accessories and the QR code to follow them on their social media platform. And at the back, you are going to see some of the specifications and the warranty. So that's simply it. And here it shows it's black. That means the color inside is black. So let's open it. Let's see what's inside. It is sealed up here. 1 and 2. Then you open it by the side here. I think Oraimo did this to compete with the big boys in the market. That is the likes of Zealot and JBL. The first item you are going to see is this strap. The strap that comes along with the package. And it's a lengthy one. So here, you can see it. The lengthy strap. It comes with these hooks to hook it up. And it comes with the branding Oraimo. Okay? Oraimo. So let's keep that aside. And the next one here is a USB-C to USB-C charger. Well, this is short. As you can see, it's not that long. I don't know why Oraimo is including something short. This should be longer than this. It is what it is anyways. So this is the charging cable. And the last item you are going to see inside here is the user manual. So this is the welcome guide or user manual. You can go through that, go through it and get yourself familiar with the features and everything. That is it. So that is all. And let's move over to the big boy itself. So it comes with this protective nylon. And here is it. As you can see, it's big. Wow. At the front here, you can see this nice looking speaker grill with the Oraimo branding at the front. And at the top here, it comes with buttons, which are the power on button, Bluetooth, pairing, and then this is the volume down, pause and play, volume up, and I think this is for the RGB and the Avid bass control. And that is it. And at the back here, you are going to see Oraimo SpaceBox Pro customized. So this is like the opening for you to see the mic in case you want to use it for karaoke. And here the aux cable, TF card slot is there also. You can see USB ports and to charge it up, DC in. So that is that. And under here, it has this very good silicone base to keep it on the surface so it won't be shaking when it is playing some songs for you. And here you can see it has this radiator by the side, another one here. So these are the two radiators on this guy. So let's quickly check it out. Let's see what's in it. First of all, you're going to be pairing this up with this guy. Like this. So this is it, as you can see. And let's quickly test the sound.
Power on.
You can hear it says power on. Now I'm going to be using my phone to connect it.
Pairing. Connected.
So it's connected. And I'm going to turn this up to 60% volume so that you guys can see. It's at 60% volume right now. So battery is 80%. I need to charge it up, but let me just test it with a song. I won't be using popular songs, just some songs that are copyright free. So let's play one.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't need shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing. Sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing.
Another song here. Let's quickly test it. Let me see another song. Another song. Let's play this.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated.
All right, guys, so that is it. As you can see, this guy is sounding very, very bassy. And there's even a bass control here on the top that you can actually use to change it. And that is pretty much it. So what do you want to know in the full review? Drop your comments in the comment section. How is it? This guy goes for 127,000 naira here in Nigeria, which is around $80 as of the time of making this video. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, that when you switch it on,
power on.
When you switch it on, it's going to show you this LED here. It has 4 LED at the top here to show the battery level. So at this moment, it is 80%. I need to charge it up. You can see the bar, just 3 bars showing here. Okay, and when you switch it off, it will go off. Okay,
power off.
All right, so this actually goes off once it tells you the top for like 4-5 seconds, and it will go off. So that is how the indicator works on it. In case you want to know, you don't have to check your battery percentage on your smartphone before you know how much charge is left in this guy. So if you have any question, drop it down there in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the full review. Bye for now. Peace.